Pizza box, unboxed. A delicious dive into English. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very common and tasty phrase in English, pizza box. Ever wondered what it really means and how to use it? Let's get started. Pizza is a well-known dish originating from Italy, but loved all around the world. It's usually round, topped with sauce, cheese, and various toppings. Box is a container with flat sides, typically square or rectangular, that's used to store or transport something. When you combine these words, you get a pizza box. It refers to the cardboard container in which pizzas are usually delivered or taken away. You typically encounter pizza box in scenarios related to food delivery or takeaways. For example, 1. Can you hand me the pizza box from the kitchen? 2. Make sure to recycle the pizza box after you're done eating. 3. The pizza box was too big to fit in the fridge. It's a very straightforward term, but understanding its context can help English learners recognize and use it appropriately. While pizza box is the most common term to describe this specific container, there are other related terms and synonyms you might come across. 1. Takeout box, a generic term for containers that hold takeout food. 2. Food container, a broad term that can describe any container holding food. 3. Cardboard box, the material most pizza boxes are made from. Remember, while these terms might be used in similar contexts, pizza box is unique because it specifically refers to the box for pizzas. And there you have it. Next time you're enjoying a slice, you'll not only savor the taste but also appreciate the term pizza box. We hope this video shed light on this delightful phrase, and we're sure you'll be using it confidently in no time. Keep learning and stay curious.